Hello, this video is about converting a video into an image sequence or vice versa. An image sequence into a video using Davinci Resolve. For example, if we have this video from pixels, we drag and drop it into edit. Okay, we can change the frame rate, for example, or we can pick the frame rate that we want to choose from the settings. For example, if we want to use a lower frame rate prior to this step, we could have chosen the frame rate from here and reduce it or increase it, for example. And sometimes we want to crop this video, so we can click here and play with the cropping settings. Now, for here, I just want to use vertical, save. So now it's vertical. We just go to deliver. Now in this location, we can write PNG sequence, the name, and put the location of the PNG files, location of the output. For example, if we choose this location, now we choose from video format, we choose JPG, for example. I prefer to use JPG because it gives us lower image size. Add to render queue and render all. Okay, we can check the folder. Now we can see we have an image sequence, PNG or JPG. Now, if we want to, generated new images, for example, and we want to convert it back to a video, we just drag and drop it here. Now we can see that it has become like a video as well. These files, the file names must be in a certain sequence. Now, sometimes if the file names are not in a certain sequence, it will not be understood by Davinci. So, for example, if it was like this, if we try to drag and drop the folder, we would get something similar to this. So we get each frame as a separate file. So it's very important that the files should be in a certain sequence. Like I've said, Control A, F2, then we put the name that we want, and it will turn it back into a sequence. It will rename everything in a certain order, file 1, till the final file. Just make sure that you made a copy before you do that, because these files must be ordered properly in order to avoid any bad conversion or bad naming sequence. So once it's complete, we have the image, we can drag it, drop. We can see here that it tells us 1 to 620. Now we can go to deliver and convert it into a video. Here we choose the format, for example, MP4. We choose the settings, for example, automatic. We choose the file size, for example, like this. Add to render queue and video render all, and it will convert the images back into a video. We can see that it has converted the images back into a video. I hope this video is useful, and have a good day.